Vasco, come on, get up.
New stuff being brought out by G2, gotta appreciate that. And yeah, you know, on the note of
tomorrow might help if you paid some attention.
Yeah.
Hey Vasco, how's your day?
Bad.
Why, what's wrong?
Yeah, hit him. Got him, yeah. Alright, come. I got a weapon for you, come, quick.
Vasco, get off Fortnite.
Yeah, in a bit, Mum. 1 second.
Why don't you go outside and make a movie?
I'm playing with my mates.
Come on.
Hey Vasco, we need to talk.
Alright.
I just got off the phone with your teacher. He says you're just staring out the window all day, daydreaming. You're getting nothing done. What's going on?
Well, 1 second I'm sailing the Caribbean, having a great time on an adventure, and then the next I wake up and I'm in the classroom.
Well, it is in your head, and you've got to get your school done. You know? What are you going to do?
I don't know.
I'll speak to your mum and see what we can do.
Alright, thank you.
Dear Vasco, your daydreaming days are over. We have decided to move onto a boat and sail away. Love, Mum and Dad.